G'day guys, Dallas here from Dunn Watson, just showing you today one of our Canopy 4 drive shelves with paper towel holder. Just going to describe the product a little bit, answer any questions you may have. So first up, this is an Australian made product by us. It's made from 3mm aluminium and it's fully welded in our Brisbane workshop. Some of the key features obviously is your paper towel holder. So this would be great in your canopy for shelving, as the product would suggest. People also buy these to put them in their workshop, so it doesn't have to be just for canopy, but that is where we most commonly sell them. But anywhere you've got a wall you can mount it to, paper towels are always a handy thing to have around. So you take the rod out, you fit your paper towel like so. You've got this bungee cord here which just puts pressure on the paper towel, which is going to stop it from spooling out when you're driving around. You've got hooks up here that you can sit the cord into when you're using it without it getting in the way. Well, it sits like so. You're going to see you have two other shelves with shock cord as well. There's just your taller condiments such as canola oil sprays, any other cleaning utensils you want to put in here. They're going to sit there and these cords are going to protect them from flying out. You've got a shallow shelf on the top as well, probably for your smaller items, perhaps salt and peppers. That's going to stop them from flying out as well. Install for this would be just bolting through the back onto wherever you'd like it to go. There you have it. 4 drive canopy shelf with a paper towel holder. If you have any questions, please give us a call or flick us an email.